I was a loan officer at New American Funding, and I wanted to grow. The company heard me, trained me, and gave me the skills to be a leader. I wasn't just looking for a promotion. I wanted a long-term professional fit that would continue to challenge me to be my best. The sales managers helped me build my confidence, hone my mortgage expertise, and learn how to be a leader. As I gained more and more skills through the program, I felt empowered and ready for the next step. I was selected to be a manager, and the onboarding set me up for success in my new role, especially the one-on-one mentorship. New American Funding helps me achieve my full potential and unlock the talents of my sales team. We put in the work and make amazing commissions. I found my community.